So as we can see here, the code is already running. So it is showing three options: devices, show all status, and exit. So first I'll type one for the devices. So here are the listed list of devices like air conditioner, fan, lamp, TV, and there's option of go back. So I'll choose the air conditioner option. So it is asking either on, off, or just go back. So I'll just choose on. So it's showing the device is now on. So we'll just enter a temperature between 16 degrees Celsius to 24 degrees Celsius. Like if I'll enter 20, so the temperature is set to 20 degrees Celsius, as we can see here. So now again, like I'll choose the fan. So it will again ask the on off. If I'll do just like uh, press one for on, so it is showing that the fan is on. Then again, if I'll go for air conditioner, so to the device, it's again saying. So now the air conditioner is already on. So what I'll do, I'll just press 2 to switch it off. So the air conditioner is now off. Same thing I'll do with the fan also. I'll choose the fan option and then I'll just switch it off. So it goes off. And one more thing like this, if we'll do the air conditioner and then we'll choose it to on. So the device is on. Like if we'll choose below 16 degrees Celsius or 24 degrees Celsius, so like this, if I choose 15, so it is saying like invalid temperature, please enter a temperature between 16 and 24 degrees Celsius. So it goes to back menu again. So this is the code. Like if I'll press 5, it will go back. So now it will, if you'll press 2, it will show all the status, like air conditioner is on, fan is off, lamp is off, TV is off also, and the current temperature is set at 20 degrees Celsius. Now I'll press 3 and it will exit. That's it.
So, first requirement is when the user presses the on-off button, the system should be able to switch off or switch on the device in the home. The code efficiently implements this requirement. It allows user to switch device on and off through the switch on and switch off methods for each device type, uh, air conditions, fan, and lamp, also TV. So this is the public void switch off is on equal to false, and also the switch on is on equal to true. So this is the code, and now the requirements is when the user enters a temperature value, the system shall set the air conditioner to that specified temperature. And also this is the code, public void set temperature and extends device. This is the whole code, and also public void display temperature. Now the code includes a set temperature method for the air conditioner, which allows the users to set a temperature value. However, there is no user input mechanism in the code to allow the user to enter and the temperature value. Or additionally, there is no validation for logical temperature value. Now, um, the another requirement says when the user enters a non-logical temperature, the system shall display an error message. However, if the enter temperature is outside the range, the else block K is executed, which displays an error message. In valid temperature, please enter a temperature between 16 and 24 degrees Celsius. This information the user that they have entered an invalid temperature value. Now, this is the whole code: a public class, a switch case, public static void switch. So yeah, this is this.
The code follows a modular design by defining separate classes for different types of devices that inherit from the base class. This inheritance allows for a clear and organized structure. The code uses abstraction to encapsulate the behavior of devices. Each device class has methods like switch on, switch off, and set temperature that abstract the underlying functionality. The code follows a user interaction loop in the main method, which allows users to select options for managing devices, showing device statuses, or exiting the system. Device control is well organized in methods like manage device state, manage air conditioner, and others. These methods encapsulate the logic for controlling specific devices. The code establishes a hierarchy of devices, with the device class as the base and specialized classes for each type of device. This hierarchy makes it easy to add a new device types in the future. The code presents a the code presents a simple text-based user interface displaying menus and prompts for user inputs, making it relatively straightforward for users to interact with the system. Error handling for illogical temperature input has been added, which displays an error message when the user enters an invalid value.
I will be explain the coding part. So the first class is device. It have the first method, which is device that have been set all the devices is off as the default, and then we have two other method, which is switch on and switch off. This method will be used to print the device is on, and then the switch off method will be used when the is on is false. It will be print device is now off. And then the second class is air conditioner that have been inherited with the device class. So we have the first variable, which is temperature, that have been set as a private integer. And then the first method is set temperature. Uh, this method will be used to set the temperature of the air conditioner. And then the second method is display temperature. This method will be used to display the current temperature of the air conditioner. And then we have three more class, which is class fan, lamp, TV, that have been also inherited with the device class. And then we have the class of home control system. We also have been create the new object for device, air conditioner, fan, lamp, and TV. So when this class have been called, so it will be give the three option for the user, which is device, show or status, and exit. So the first one is the system will be print choose an option. So the user will choose any number 1 until 3. And then if we have been used switch case. So if the case 1, which is users have been key in number 1, so it will go to the manage device class. And then if case 2, it will go to the class show or status. And then if the user have been key in number 3, so the system will be print out exiting the system, goodbye. So if the user have been choose other number from 1 until 3, so the default system will be print invalid choice, please try again. So the next class is a manage device. So this class will be called if the user have choose the number 1. So it will be have 5 other option, which is air conditioner, fan, lamp, TV, and go back. So it will print choose a device for the user. And then also same, we have used a switch case, which is if the case 1, so it will go to the manage air conditioner class, and so on. And also if the user have choose other number from 1 until 5, so the system will be default to print out the invalid choice. Please try again.
Assalamualaikum, my name is Muhammad Rifki Rushdi. So as we can see, this code is for air conditioner, which means we can turn on, turn off and set the temperature. Okay, for this code we use a switch method, which means we have case 1, case 2, case 3 and default. Okay, for the case 1 we can turn on the aircon, and when we on the aircon, the system will automatically ask for the set temperature. So we can only set the temperature from 16 to 24. Other than that, the error message will appear. Okay, for the case 2 we can off the aircon, and case 3 is nothing, just skip the case 3, and then the default will appear invalid choice when we didn't choose anything for this switch. Okay, for the last function of the code, we have manage device state, which means we can just like previous code, we can turn on, turn off the device. But for this code, they will show all the status, which means for the aircon, fan, lamp, TV, they will show the status, which is the device is on or off. But they have a additional function, which means the system will show the temperature for the aircon that we set before this. Okay, thank you.